How to get Rosalia font on Instagram. Let's get started. First, launch your Instagram app. Now click on the option Your Story. Now select any of the picture or the video for the background. Now at the top, you're gonna find this text option. Click on that. With that, you're gonna find different text option. In this list, you're gonna find the option Rosalia. Set it to Rosalia and then type in anything you would like to add in your story and then upload it. In case you are unable to get this option, what you have to do is update your Instagram app. For that, close this and launch your App Store or Play Store. Then search for the app Instagram. After app appears, if you find the option of update, just click on it and update the app to its latest version. Next thing you want to do is close this, launch your Instagram app, navigate to the profile page, click on three bars given at the top right corner. Now here you're gonna find different section. Under your app and media, you're gonna find the option Early Access to Features. Clicking on that option, you'll get the option to join the beta program. Enable for that option. With these settings, you'll get easily access to Rosalia font on Instagram. And that's it. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe.